There's something important, Henry, that you might not notice. You may have noticed when you pick these up, one of these boxes is a lot heavier than the other. That's right. The part numbers are almost identical. The boxes are the same, but the content is half. So some of the part numbers on this are RS or roller shelf EFR, which is extension frame. However, this one is roller shelf RS SFR, which is starter frame. A starting bay has 4 posts. An extension frame has 2 posts. That's why it weighs twice as much as the other. The boxes look the same, part number slightly different. All right. So to create 2 shelving bays, you need 1 starter frame and 1 extension frame because the posts in the center are common posts between 2 bays. We don't double 2 posts back to back necessarily. Anyways, we'll cut these boxes open and you'll understand more of what I'm trying to explain. See that for the video? RS EFR, 2 posts. See, starter frame box, 4 posts, extension frame box, 2 posts. Three boxes, right? So we had 2 boxes containing 4 and 1 box containing 2. So 4, 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They're all here. Now you will notice that these posts, they come perforated in a certain manner. That'll make more sense if I put one upside down.
This is the frame.
This is the frame. There's a different pattern. One's spaced out, one's super perforated. You always remember the perforation. The extra perforation goes at the top. So if I was putting it inside the vehicle, extra perforated will be up the top, not the bottom. If you've got the other way around, you're doing it wrong. So make sure that you've got the right way out. Alright? The first thing you do is you check if you need to cut down these posts. I think for this model, you don't. This post is predetermined. In some models, you may need to trim the post height. So these are height adjustable by simply cutting them through with a hacksaw. Easy way to tell is just to grab one, bring it inside the van. If I bring one in here, see by the looks of it here, I'll have to trim this. So this post must not exceed the height of this. Alright, so you will get a pen. Got one in my pocket, Henry?
Yeah, in my pocket.
Got one in my pocket. So here's a pen. Alright? The trick is to place the post on the floor. Alright? Place the post on the floor. The nearest small hole. The nearest small hole. Not the big hole. The nearest small hole is where you're trimming. Okay? So you're allowed to cut through the center of the small holes only, not the big hole. Okay? This is in the instructions. We'll also check to see how that fits in other locations, because not all the roof height is not always the same. You'll find that vans are usually lower at the back and higher at the front. Once again, vertical, that again. That is the nearest small hole. Same thing.
Under perforated, which is the mold hole.
Yeah, so wherever all the perforated things are, that's the top.
Yeah, point it at the camera. What he meant by the Perforated is so many holes at the bottom.
These
You
are
notice the
spaced
difference
out.
in holes?
These are extra. Wherever there's a lot of holes, that's where you're allowed to cut. So that's the control. So I need all of them cut the same. So I usually just go like this, get my marker. That's pretty much it. Four posts make on the bay, 2 posts make on the side. So we're going to grab this. We're going to grab one of those screen bracket, this screen bracket here. Four bolts, 4 knot locks. That's it.
Shorter one?
So the long ones, there.
The long one.
Yeah, so you've got all these packets in here. I like to put all the screws in piles of like for like. That's how I work. But they're packaged in individual packets, so I rip them open. It's just easier to work like this. These here, these pieces here, redundant, redundant, redundant. Any brackets in this style is redundant. Alright? These are redundant. What this system here is a universal anchoring system. So what you would do, that would bolt to that, this would bolt to that, and that would bolt to that there.
We're putting a base on
So these are
non-perforated, so the other side of it, not where we cut.
The perforated's always at the top. So these are called HD feet or heavy duty feet. The heavy duty system accommodates the 2 posts. Right, we did have in the past, we did have a lightweight economy version, which is why we've got that centerpiece here.
Right.
So there's a little bit of history. RolaCase used to have 1 post per bay, and then they migrated to 2 posts per bay. See that, Henry? We used to have a one post system, and then we migrated to a 2 post system. But you can still, if I really wanted to make it super heavy duty, I insert a first post in there.
Gotcha.
It is doable.
You still have the option, isn't it?
Yes, it still has the option. Well, we're backwards compatible with superseded parts. We need 2 of these. We need to connect 2 of these together. All right. So you hold that there. I'll hold that there. See how they're facing inwards, not like that.
Gotcha.
So yeah, inward. All right. Then I'm going to grab this piece here. All right. No, the other one. Into the other one. There. Down, down, down. Okay. See what I'm going to do here. Just watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to feed 1 bolt through here. Watching, Henry. 1 bolt through there. Another one through there. Alright, the second one through here. Another one through here. And I'm going to fit this piece. Goes on top like so. This piece goes there. That goes there. Remember we cut the post?
Yeah.
This is the cap to protect you from the sharp pieces. Alright? Everything's been thought of. One shelving bay.
Okay.
Alright, so this depth will come in.
Which side is that?
You gotta tilt when I tilt. So tilt this way. Yeah. See how lightweight this is?
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's not heavy, but it's super strong. Bring it in. Tilt, tilt, tilt. Yep. Okay. See those tin up on the floor? That goes to there. It's gonna go under. Yep. See those bolts there? That's them. So before there were T-nuts here. The outer holes there. We'll start them by hand. Those are the long ones. The long ones, 1 second. I think I got the wrong one.
It should be catching.
Yeah, I don't think we need the spring washers on it. That's what I made a mistake. Take the spring washers out. Yeah. Sorry. The spring washers out because it's wood. Sorry. They should be catching me.
Yeah, there are a couple. You're right. Thank you.
Yeah. Spring washers.
One, they're too short, but one's longer than the other. Here you go.
See, one's short, one's some longer.
Yeah. Here you go.
That's the problem. Alright. Do them by hand.
The same place last time. I'm here. 15 minutes away. I wanted to stay in Boston, but I also don't want to drive an hour.
I'm here for an hour and a half to drink this morning. You know what? I was looking at Singer and I'm
Spring washers go on the long ones.
Yeah.
Long one.
I'm not
Spring.
taking that.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
How many?
I need a spring washer on this one. I just need one more. Put a spring washer.
Yeah.
So you got 4 on every
Yeah,
side.
I've got it. I've got
I've
it.
never been to Boston, so
You've never been?
no.
Oh, Boston is.
It's like New York without the tourists.
Do you like Boston?
And two
Henry?
Australians.
I do.
Sounds a lot better than.
A lot of culture. Irish do very well at that. My ex-boss was made very Irish.
Yeah.
So we hit it off very well. Every time we go to Boston, and he was a graduate of Boston.
My bad. Remember I did the drawing was this way? Alright, so that's like that. I'll put this down. We'll start off with 2. 1, 2. That 1, 2, 2 nuts. Okay. Poke 2 nuts through, so 2 bolts through. 1, 2. Then I'll put the plate behind. And I'll put the nail locks on. Yeah, the reason I put a plate behind is because it slides up and down. We need something to grab it firmly.
Wow, here you go.
Yeah, solid.
That's very solid.